Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and use the calendar app inside Smartsheet. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly set up a calendar that keeps track of your important events, appointments, or deadlines, all in just a few clicks. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just want a faster way to get your schedules organized, follow along and you'll be up and running in no time. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Smartsheet. You can do this by opening your browser and logging into your Smartsheet account as you normally would. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, you can sign up for a free trial and the setup process will look the same once you're logged in. Now to start building our calendar app, we need some sample data. Think of sample data as a mock-up list of events or appointments that you want to see on your calendar. This can be anything from meetings and deadlines to birthdays or project milestones. It's a good way to get a feel for how the calendar will look before you add your real events. If you're just testing things out, you can make up a couple of events, say, a meeting called Team Sync on a Friday, or a reminder to submit report next Monday. Having at least 2 or 3 rows of data will help you clearly see how things land on the calendar view. With your Smartsheet open and some sample data in mind, let's move on to the next step. Click on Grid. The grid view is basically your starting point. It's like a blank spreadsheet where you'll enter the events you want to track. Once you're in the grid, you can add your sample data in the usual way, just like you would enter information into an Excel sheet. Be sure to include a column for the event name and a column for the date. These are essential for making the calendar work its magic. If you want, you can throw in extra details like location or attendees, but to keep things simple, start with the basics. Next up, we're going to switch this data from grid view to calendar view. Look near the top menu and select Calendar. Don't worry if you don't see your events just yet. It sometimes takes a moment for Smartsheet to process the data, especially if your internet is a little slow. Think of this step as flipping your notes from a list into something more visual and actionable. Suddenly, all those dates you entered are transformed into events you can see and plan for at a glance, and that's really it. Now we can see our events neatly displayed on the calendar. This makes it super easy to understand when things are happening, spot any overlaps, or just get a general sense of a busy week ahead. Remember, as you add real data, you can drag and drop events to new dates or edit them right on the calendar. For example, if your meeting gets rescheduled, just move it to its new day. It's all about making your planning process as clear and streamlined as possible. So there you have it. That's how quick and simple it is to set up and use the calendar app in Smartsheet. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. And if you have any questions or want to share how you're using Smartsheet's calendar for your own projects, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.